4-in-1 function. 4-in-1 function. It is a torchlight. It is a phone holder, and it is a power bank, and it also is a bicycle honk. 4-in-1 function. 3 color. This is red color, and blue color. 4 items in the packaging. This is the phone holder to be installed at your bicycle. Install your bicycle, and then this is honk button. Press it, and this is charging cable. It is a micro USB. So let me demo to you how to honk it. So you simply install it here. So how do you charge? So it is charging. And next, how do you put on your phone? So it is a phone holder. Flashlight function, brightest mode, softer mode, flash mode. So there are 3 modes.